Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing BIC Sport 4 color ballpoint pens. So they come in this 3-pack. So if I just open it up. So they're 1mm, so you can see, it's like reasonably thick. So we'll just write, today is Friday. So we can just give a close up of that. So it's super comfortable to hold in your hand. And then you've got the 4 colors. So you've got red, black, green, and then blue. So you got a bunch of variety, great for like organizing different things like you do Monday. Then we got Tuesday for blue, etc., etc. And that clicking sound, it works really well. And then you can also unscrew it. So they're refillable as well. So, I mean, not that I've ever done refilled them before. It's something easy just to buy it, but it definitely, if you wanted, you could save on waste by the plastic materials by refilling the ink. And then I'll just put this back on. And then you've got this little bit here, which is handy, so you can grab a few more pages, a bit easier. You can kind of clip in like so, just to kind of help you kind of never lose the pen. So, I mean, it's a bit bigger than a normal pen, just because it's got the 4 colors, but it's definitely soft in your hand. And then the 1mm, so it's not going to be the finest thing, but especially writing notes, organizing different things, it's going to be really good for those sorts of uses. It's also got, I mean, I like the color as well. It's kind of got that classic blue and white. And yeah, you've got the 3-pack as well, so you can kind of put one in one pencil case, one in another, and then you can like leave one at home, so you've kind of got a few. And then if like one runs out of ink, then you can just switch to the next one. So having the 3-pack definitely helps you. And I mean, they last for a long time as well. So you're gonna get a lot of use out of them before they run out of ink. And the fact that, I mean, it's the 4 colors as well is a huge advantage. So you only need to buy one pen rather than buying all different colors. So highly recommend these BIC pens.